Hello, and thanks for watching. My name is Ryan, and today we're going to start a series on creating a shop in WordPress. We're going to use WooCommerce for this, so what we need to do is we need to add a new plugin. So we're in the back end of our site here, and I don't think we have any plugins that didn't come with WordPress, which is this Ask Met Anti-Spam, and there may be another one on here. I'm not sure, but we'll just go ahead and search WooCommerce. And this is the one we want. You can see well over 1 million installations. It's extremely popular. And once you get the hang of it, it's extremely easy to use and customize. And that's why we're going to be using it for its customization features. So this will be a pretty simple video. All we're doing is installing a base plugin from WordPress, and we're going to activate it and set it up. We don't have to do the initial setup immediately. We can always come back and do that later. So it's going to ask us a few basic things, and this will have to do with our shipping and tax and things like that down the road. If we're not selling anything, and I'm in Arizona, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. I'm going to make up an address here. And we'll just select that one. And we're going to do US dollars. If you want to use other currencies, there's things we can do to take multiple currencies. So if you sell internationally or something like that, but generally what you're going to do is you're going to pick the base of where you're located. So if you're in the US, use US dollars. If you're in Mexico, use pesos, whatever, wherever you're at. And then here we have a choice. We're going to be selling both physical and digital products, physical or digital. We're going to leave it as both, and we'll create different types of products. If we sell MP3s or video downloads or something like that, those are digital and they'll be allowed to be downloaded. We want to leave that option open. If we can always change it later, but if we only select physical, then that's the only option we're going to have. And then this little box here, I will also be selling products or services in person. So you can use this almost as a transaction. If you're out, you can have your tablet. Let's say you're at a farmer's market or something like that, and you're selling goods there, and you want to keep it all in one place. You can run this through your website as well. And so we'll go ahead and check that. And um, I don't mind if they collect data. I'm going to go ahead and let them do it. Payment, we could do Square, PayPal, Stripe. These are just right off the bat. There's a ton of other ones back there. I personally like Stripe, and I don't have Square. But if you're out and about, like that example we used for, you know, selling something out there and using your website, Square is something you'll want to use. They give you a free reader. I believe PayPal has a reader now too. Stripe does not, that I'm aware of. But we'll go ahead and do this, and then let's get rid of that because we don't want to use my PayPal. If you want to send me money, send it there. All right, so let's continue. And shipping. We're not going to get live rates because we're going to set up some advanced shipping and some tutorials down the road. And maybe we'll come back and add live rates too to show how to do that. Locations not covered by other zones. We're going to again set up some advanced calculations there, and then weight. Let's change it to pounds maybe, and then dimensions. Let's leave that in inches and continue. We don't want any of their themes. We'll do our own customization. We'll also maybe be adding a theme as well for our site, and we want that to grab. And so we don't want to take what WooCommerce has. Automated taxes. Again, we're not going to set that up right now. We'll add some taxes later on. It's a very complicated subject depending on where you're located, where you're shipping from. Um, and I don't want this jetpack. I'm just not a fan. it can speed things up, but we'll be doing some caching in future tutorials, so we're gonna skip that. And we don't want that. I've got plenty of those already. Create your first product. We're going to come back and create our first product in a secondary tutorial. Right now we're just going to set this up. And we also have an ability to import products from somewhere else. And again, that'll be something that we'll go over later. And that's it. We're done. We are set up with WooCommerce. It's ready to go. And watch out for the next video. We'll be creating a simple product. Thanks for watching.